You've all seen the pavilions in Expo 2020, but today we're going to talk about the most important topic, which is
food!
Yep, so we're gonna see what's there to eat in Expo 2020, and that too very budget friendly and pocket friendly meals. And you get to see both veg and non-veg options. That's because I'm vegetarian and you are
non-vegetarian.
So there's something for everybody.
Yes.
And there's so much for us to see today. So let's get started. One of the first stops that we will visit is Chicken Tikka Inn. I know that after a long day, we all look for some comfort food, and you will find that here definitely. So let's go and see what's on the menu.
This restaurant is very famous for grills. If you come here and if you order the grills, then your stomach will be fully filled. So we are not going to do that today. We are covering all the food areas in Expo. So what we are going to do here is we are going to order one chicken biryani. I think we will cover rest of the food items in all over the Expo. So we will try chicken biryani. I think most of you like biryani. I will try here and let you know about how the quality of the biryani is. If it's good, then definitely you guys come here and try it. Let's start, guys. It looks so yummy. Let me taste it and let you know, guys, how the taste is. So it tastes very good and the masala is very infused in this biryani, and overall it tastes good. The cost of the biryani is 25 dirhams only, and it's so fresh, guys. So come here and have a biryani. Enjoy your day. I have some leftover of the biryani which I couldn't finish because the biryani portion is for 2 people. This was probably one of the best biryani which I had in a while, but there is a lot more to taste. So let's go to the next stop. Come on. Al Baik is a fried chicken restaurant from Saudi which recently opened in UAE. Whenever you visit Dubai Mall to Al Baik, there is a long queue, guys, which is why we haven't had it yet. So we are going to try now in Expo 2020. Let's go inside and check out the menu. Come on.
I'm not sure if I was expecting any less, but even at 10 p.m. and even in the Expo 2020 location of Al Baik, there is a queue, there is a waiting time. So you have to be prepared for that if you come here. We finally made our way to the back of the line and joined the queue. As you can see, this is the number of people inside. They're waiting in line to order their food and to pick up their food as well. Coming to the menu, the main reason why we're here, it's so affordable that you will actually not believe the prices that we pay for the food here. It was finally our turn to order and we got the 10-piece chicken nuggets and falafel. And our total was only 23 dirhams and 50 fils. You are then given a token slip and you need to join another waiting line because there are 2 lines, one to order and the other to pick up the food. It's going to be a long wait because right now they're serving number 573 and we are 622. Not sure if you can see, but we will let you know when we get the chicken. Actually, it wasn't such a long wait because they are very organized and they get your orders quickly. So we picked up our food and we headed to the eating area, which is upstairs. Surprise, surprise! Even the eating area was full indoors, so we chose a spot outside. These are the 10-piece chicken chicken nuggets. So that's one dish. And the next one, which I was very surprised to know because it's usually chicken. Now they have a vegetarian option for falafel, so I'm happy. That's inside this. Cute, right?
Yeah.
Oh, it's huge quantity.
This is falafel, right?
Yeah, for $5.
Oh, it's a huge.
Yeah, it is. Before we eat, first things first.
Sanitize.
Okay.
Sanitize your hand always.
Ready?
Ready.
Oh, you didn't open the sauce?
Yeah.
I also have sauce. They've not forgotten about the vegetarians. We have tahina sauce.
So what is this sauce?
That's garlic.
Yes.
Yeah.
So this is garlic sauce. I'm going to dip these nuggets into this and
I think there might be a surprise inside when you bite it.
oh, let's see that.
Yeah.
So dipping the sauce now. I bought a spicy chicken
Is it spicy?
and it's really spicy. Yeah, I'm not kidding, it's really spicy. I think spicy lovers will really enjoy this chicken.
I see, but is the chicken worth the hype? For the line and all of the weight?
How they made this chicken, I don't know because see this color.
I should admit that even the falafel is good. Everything's fresh. Even though they have such a long wait, everything's like still hot and fresh.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think it's good. It's I can't speak much about the chicken. So Moses,
Chicken is really very good. This is the chicken which I never had before, and this chicken nuggets is really affordable. For 18 dirham you will get 10 pieces of chicken, which one cannot finish this because the portion size is very big. So I think it's enough for 2 or 3 people.
and also comes with fries.
Yes.
So we really enjoyed Al Baik. I don't know about you guys.
Yeah.
If you haven't tried it yet, you should definitely give it a chance because the food is so crispy and good.
Yes.
Although we couldn't finish all of it. And next, where are we going, Moses?
So next we are going to a place with an interesting concept. So let's go, guys.
So the cool concept that we mentioned is the Talabat kitchen, and it's a cloud kitchen. Most of you are already familiar with Talabat, the food ordering app on your phone, and they have a cloud concept kitchen in Expo 2020. And it's so simple, you can order on your phone or through the digital screens there, and the way it's prepared and it comes to you, it's very interesting. So let's go inside and see how it's done. So guys, because we visited at 11 p.m, everything was mostly closed, but Talabat has a lot of options like this biryani that you can see, which is so yummy, and so many more. But because we visited too late, there was just one option, which is this Rock House sliders. So we chose the spicy chicken slider for only $16. As you can see, the ordering process is super simple. Just select, add to your cart, proceed to pay, and you can pick up your items. Oh, it's so cute! Can you see?
Wow.
Very cute, right? Yes. So Moses is gonna taste this and let you guys know how it is because it's chicken. But it looks very cute, and the bun is like yellow in color. It's the first time I'm seeing a bun like this. But yeah, Moses, it's all yours.
Oh, yummy! So back to back, I'm having food, guys. So this is a day for having all kind of varieties of food.
It's your cheat day.
Yeah. So let's have this. Oh.
Hot. Oh no. Did you burn yourself?
It is super hot and so crispy.
Oh, let me see the inside. Wow. Is the yellow bun having any taste? Is it? I think it's a potato bun. It's not a normal bun.
I don't taste anything like potato. So yes, chicken is so crispy.
Does it have cheese inside?
Yes, yeah. There is a white cheese.
Hot burger. Fresh.
Yeah.
So guys, please visit Talabat before 11 p.m. because you'll be having so many choices to choose from and even lots of vegetarian ones. So that was all the places that we wanted to take you guys to, and I hope you had fun knowing what's there to eat in Expo 2020. If you're interested in more Expo 2020 content, we'll make sure to leave the links to our other videos down in the description below. So make sure to check them out. Definitely do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!